Of a 2-year-old foster child sends a Pueblo mother to prison. Sarah Finn was sentenced to 7 years in prison and 5 years parole for the death of Chassie Pietrolungo. She pled guilty to child abuse resulting in death. KRDO News Channel 13's Michelle San Miguel talked with Chassie's loved ones trying to heal from the girl's tragic death.
Foster mother Sarah Finn was sobbing while hugging her husband Paul soon after she learned she'll be spending the next 7 years in prison.
No matter what, it doesn't bring Chassie back. There's a loss that just cannot be replaced.
2-year-old Chassie Pietrolungo died in August of 2014 after falling 3 times within 3 days, including an incident where she fell down a flight of 15 stairs. Sarah Finn was home alone with Chassie during all of those falls and saw Chassie vomiting repeatedly. The prosecution argued Sarah was negligent in Chassie's death because she did not call for medical help until Chassie was unresponsive.
This is a little girl who couldn't say for herself, I need to see a doctor.
Sarah Finn wept as she told the judge she was sorry for not doing more for Chassie. Now that she'll be in prison, she also won't be able to care for her young daughter, Alexis.
I feel sad for her child because I know me not having my daughter and her not having her daughter, I know what she's going to feel.
Chassie's loved ones hope her death brings about changes in the foster care program.
Screening, training. If people aren't comfortable with the amount of hours of training, then give them more.
I'll just say it flat out. There needs to be better training, better monitoring.
Attorneys are looking into whether the Department of Social Services missed any red flags. In the meantime, Chassie's loved ones are remembering this little girl who had a long life ahead.
She was just a fun-loving, normal 2-year-old kid.
In Pueblo, Michelle San Miguel, KRDO, News Channel 13.
Thanks, Michelle. And Sarah Finn's husband, Paul, was sentenced last year to 10 years probation. Prosecutors agreed to that because Paul was not home during the times Chassie fell.